Have you ever wondered, what if the very fabric of reality is made not of tiny particles, but of even tinier invisible strings, each one vibrating with its own special tune? Imagine for a moment, everything around us, the stars, the air, even your own thoughts, woven together by these microscopic threads. This isn't just science fiction, it's called string theory, and it's one of the boldest, most mind-bending ideas in all of physics. So, let's unravel this cosmic mystery, shall we? When I was younger, I was taught that everything is made out of atoms. You, me, the phone you're watching this on, all atoms. Then as I dug deeper, I learned that atoms are made of protons, neutrons, and electrons. But physicists weren't satisfied. They split those apart too, and found quarks and leptons, so even smaller pieces. But here comes the twist. String theory says, these aren't the end of the story. If you could zoom in far enough, past all the protons and quarks, you'd find tiny vibrating strings. Not solid dots, but little loops and lines, each wiggling in its own unique way. And the way a string vibrates, that decides what it becomes: a photon, an electron, or maybe something even stranger. It's like playing a guitar. Different vibrations, different notes. Except instead of music, these vibrations create everything in the universe. Why do we need something this wild? Well, our two best theories about how the universe works, Einstein's relativity and quantum mechanics, they just don't agree on certain questions, like what happens inside a black hole, or what was the universe like at the very first moment. The math turns messy and breaks down. String theory might be the answer. It could unite everything into one beautiful, seamless picture. But there's a catch. For string theory to work, the universe needs more than the 3 dimensions we see around us. In fact, it needs 10 or even 11. Where are these extra spaces? Think of an ant on a garden hose. To us, the hose is just a line. But to the ant, it's round, with a whole hidden direction. Maybe space itself hides tiny, curled-up dimensions, so small we can't see them, but always there. And here's where things get truly cosmic. If string theory is right, there might not be just one universe, but countless universes, all with different rules and realities. This is called the multiverse. Some scientists think these strings could even connect different universes, or explain black holes, or the mysterious dark matter that fills space. Right now, no one has proven string theory. The math is beautiful, the ideas are thrilling, but it's still a theory, a map to a treasure we haven't yet found. Still, I love that this idea connects us back to something ancient. Indian philosophy has long spoken of a cosmic sound, a vibration at the heart of everything. Maybe, in some mysterious way, we're rediscovering truths our ancestors once sensed. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, you might just be listening to the music of the universe. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, share with your fellow science buffs, and subscribe for more mysteries of existence. Until next time, keep asking big questions.